Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Here I am Siddharth Sharma. Today I will show you execution of some basic operation on sets using Python. For this I am using here spider IDE. You can also use other IDE. Let's open spider IDE. Firstly, let's create an empty set using a set function. Create a variable s using set function. This will create an empty set. To see this set, use print function. This will print our set. Save and run the file. Here you can see our empty set. You can also create an empty set by using curly braces. Save and run the file. Here is our empty set. Now let's create a set of some data. This is how we can create using set function. Enter some data. Let a variable a 9 and 5. Now save it on the file. Here our 3 elements of set. Now if I want to create a set of integers starting from some specific number, how I can create this? This is very simple in Python. I can create this by using range function. Let's see how I can create set using range. The default initial value of range is 0, but we can change. Here I will change is 1, and I want to create a set of 60 elements. So here I will write 61. Now save it on the file. Here you can see the our set of 60 element created successfully. Now try to add a number which is already present in set and see what happens using s.add. Now try to add 5. Now save it on the file. You can see that duplicate values are only represented in the set once. Here 5 is only represent once in the set. Now we will try to add an element into this existing set. We can do this by using two methods. Firstly by using a add function, and other is update function. Let's see both one by one. First using add function, let's change this set. Create a set, some small set, variable a 9 and 5. Okay, this is our set. Now add an element using add function. This is our add function, and try to add 3 in our set. See here 3 is added successfully. Now if you try to add 2 elements at the same time using add function, then what happened? Let's see. Write 3 and 7. Save it on the file, and this will generate an error message. If you want to add multiple elements at a time in existing set, you can use update function. Here see how we can add multiple values using update function. Update. Now try to add b and let 3 and 7 at a time. Save it on the file. Oh, save it on the file. Okay, here you can see 7, 3 and b added successfully using update function. Now try to remove some elements from set using remove function. Remove 9. Let save it on the file. Here 5 and a, the only 2 elements present in our set after applying remove function. Now use the discard function and see what happen. Okay, discard 9. Here 9 removes successfully. Now if you will write 90, then see what happened in the file. The file runs successfully and there is no any error message generated. The discard function will remove the element if present in the set, and if not present, then it will not generate any error message. And if we will do such operation using remove function, then see what happened. 90 and run the file. This will create an error message, key error 90. This is the main difference between remove and discard function. Now let's create a 3 set, some other operation. S1 is equal to set of element 2 3 4 2 3 4 and S2 so 1 2 3 2 3 4. S3 is equal to 3 4 5. Okay, this is our 3 set. Now let's apply operation of intersection and union between set 1 S1 and set S2. S is equal to S1 dot intersection S2, and to see this intersection use the print function. So now save and run the file. You can see that in set S1 and S2, 3 and 2 is common between set S1 and S2. Now try to find common between S1 and S1, S2 and S3. This is how we can find this S3 right here. Now save and run the file. Okay, this will give us 3. S3 is common among all of the 3 set. Here 3 is here also present, and here. This is all our intersection application. Now try to find set of such elements that are present in S1 but not in S2, and their intersection. We can find this by using difference function. Let's see, using difference function, difference of S2. Now save and run the file. You can see here one is the here here one is the only element of S1 minus S2 difference. Now try to find set of such elements that are present in S2 but not in S1 and in their intersection. How we can find? Let's change S1 to S2 and S2 to S1. Now save and run the file. It will give 4. Now again try to find set of such elements which are present in S2 but neither in set S1 and nor in set S3. How we can find this? Using S1. Just add a simple S3 in difference function. Now save and run the file. We find empty set. There is no such elements present. Now try to find a set of such elements which are present in set S3 but neither in set S1 nor in set S2. Now change S2 to S3 and S1, S2, S3 to S2. Now save and run the file. We will find a single element 5. Here is the 5, you can see. Now try to find set of such elements are either in set of S1 and in set S2 but not in their intersection. How we can find this? Using a symmetric. We will use the symmetric function here. Remove these and add S1 dot symmetric difference right S2. Now save and run the file. You can see 1 and 4 those elements, those type of elements. Now see how we can remove duplicate values from a set using list function. Now create some set. S1 is our set, and in this duplicate value 1, 9, 5, and here there is 2 duplicate value 1 and 3. Now we try to remove these values. We can do this by using list function. List set S1. Save and run the file. Here you can see 1 and 3 is right only once. This is how we can remove duplicate values from a set. Let's move ahead. Let we have some set of employee, gym member, and developer. I will import. Okay, this is our E. E is our employee, and here G is our gym member, and D is developer. E Seema, Jagan, Satyam, Arpit, and gym member Arpit, Johan. This is our set of employee, gym member, and developers. Now we want to find such employees who is in both gym members and in developer set. For this, how we can find? For this, I will write G dot intersection by using intersection with D, as we have to find such employees who is in both gym member and in developer. For gym member D, G, and for developer D. Now print this set S to see and save it on the file. Here we can see Arpit and Seema is such type of members who is in both gym members and in developers. Then Seema and gym members. Now try to find such type of members who is neither in gym member set and nor in developer set. How we can find? We can find this using a difference function. Using difference function, E dot difference G, D, as we have to find such type of members who is neither in gym member set or nor in developer set. For this, I am using here difference function. Now save and run the file. See, Jeenat and Jagan are such type of members. Now try to perform a membership test to check for a member of a given set is present or not. How we can perform? Let's see. If I want to find that Jagan is in employee set or not, this is how I can find Jagan. If Jagan in employee set, if yes, if it is present, then print fine. Print fine. Else, if not found, then print not found. Okay, now save and run the file. Here the output is fine, as in employee set Jagan is present. We can change this Jagan to Jugal and try to run this code. Jugal is also present. Jugal is also present. Now try to find Jugal in G member. We will change it to G, save it on the file. Here you can see not found, as Jugal is not present in G member set. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.